Hello and welcome to my office today. My name is Dennis Street. I'm a mortgage agent with Mortgage Intelligence out of Oshawa. Um, Today I wanted to just briefly cover for you an important topic about when you purchase home, your preparation for your closing day. Okay, so where I'm going to start with this is that you've satisfied all of your conditions for the bank so that they will release the funds to your lawyer the day that it is closing. Okay, so that's where I'm going to start with. But first, two things. I would just a note to property taxes. Have you made arrangements through your mortgage, or do you intend to pay them directly with the municipality? Because if the municipality is involved, you have to set up the account with them prior, and they're going to want like a void check because they usually do a monthly debit to the account. And number two is utilities. Well, this is really important because you don't want to be moving into your home and not have water, gas, and hydro running. So usually the safe period is about 2 weeks before you're actually going to be moving into your home. You want to make arrangements with the utilities. Contact information is going to be available through either your lawyer or your broker or the real estate agent. We're prepared for the places where we work, what utility companies are needed and how to contact them. Okay, so those two things right off the start. So as I said, we're starting at the point where you've satisfied the conditions. We're moving over to now you have to start making contact and communicate as often as needed with your lawyer because you're now going to have to start to get the final figure on the day of closing on how much money is going to be required because you'll have to be bringing a check, probably certified to your lawyer for the amount that is tallied in your statement of adjustments. Okay, you're going to have two prior expenses before that. These are not going to be adjustments, but you have to be prepared that if there's an appraisal required, you're going to up ahead of time. You're going to be spending anywhere from $250 to $350. If you had a home inspection, depending on the amount of work on the home inspection, that could range anywhere from 200 to let's say $500. Okay, so those are two upfront expenses even before you start looking at the final day closing cost. Okay, so let's start with the biggest number is going to be the down payment funds. Remainder of the down payment funds has to go through your lawyer. So that's going to be onto your statement adjustments. It's also going to include their fee, the lawyer fee. You're going to see a list of disbursements, which would be for like registering the deed, um, mortgage search fees, title insurance. This is to protect both the lender and you. Any execution that the lawyers have to provide. These are the processing disbursements, okay? Plus land transfer tax, unless you fall into that category of a first-time home buyer. And the land transfer tax, they have, a set calculation for that, and it's really based on the purchase price of your home. So when you're looking at all those numbers together, if you were to say it's going to be roughly, and this is an approximate, okay, percentage of 1.5% of the actual purchase price will be very close to what your closing costs are going to be. So that's going to help you making sure that you're properly prepared. You sort of want to be properly prepared even before you sign off on the conditions for the purchase agreement. So, but here we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Okay, we're looking at also the cost of interest adjustment, what they call IAD. And IAD represents, if it's a biweekly payment or a monthly payment, they're going to bring it to the closest rounded period just for the day your mortgage payment is going to start. The difference in days in between, the interest is going to be charged, and that will come out automatically on the day of closing. So, and that figure you can find out exactly what that is likely going to be. Okay, and then Then I guess that pretty well covers everything. My name is Dennis Street. I hope you took notes. I work with Mortgage Intelligence, and you'll see my information on the screen. Thanks for joining, and have a great day, and good luck with your purchase adventures, okay? Thank you.